Feel the rhythm? It's Jamaican pride representing for CCN World TV News. It's CCN World TV News.
Jamaica and Trinidad have always shared something special. The music, the culture, the energy. But what happened when Jamaican YouTuber Colaz Smith traveled to Trinidad to meet creators like Trini Surfer and Trini Style with Dinesh? Because something much bigger than just a YouTube collaboration. What started as an adventure slowly became a powerful reminder that even though Caribbean people come from different islands, deep down, we're still one people. And honestly, the internet is loving every moment of it. Now, if you've been watching YouTube lately, you probably noticed the excitement surrounding Colaz Smith's trip to Trinidad. From the beaches to the food to the people, the entire vibe felt different. But what made this trip stand out wasn't just sightseeing, it was the chemistry, the brotherhood, the respect between creators from different Caribbean countries, and viewers immediately started noticing it too. One commenter even said, "This was a movie, adventure, drama, suspense, mystery, comedy, and educational." And honestly, that perfectly describes the energy of this trip so far. The moment colors linked up with Trini Style, you could feel Trini Style with Dinesh and Trini Surfer, you could immediately feel the positive energy. No fake rivalry, no ego, just Caribbean people connecting naturally. And that's what made the content feel authentic. And because despite the different accents, different foods, and different island traditions, there was still something familiar. The laughter felt familiar, the jokes felt familiar, even the hospitality felt familiar. And that's something many Caribbean people understand deeply. We may represent different islands, but there's a shared spirit throughout the Caribbean that outsiders sometimes don't fully understand. And honestly, this collaboration showed that beautiful. As clips and videos started spreading online, the comment section became filled with positivity. People from Jamaica, Trinidad, and even other Caribbean countries started celebrating the collaboration. One person commented, "Nice to see Caribbean folks come together." Another said, "Big up Trini Surfer for taking Colors, Josh, and Slow Mo on this amazing adventure." And that's when many viewers realized this wasn't just entertainment anymore. This was representation. For years, Caribbean YouTubers mostly stayed within their own islands online. But now, people are starting to see the bigger picture. A united Caribbean presence on YouTube could become extremely powerful. And honestly, the idea alone is exciting. One thing that stood out during this trip was how natural everything felt. The beaches, the conversations, the exploring, the food experiences, nothing felt forced. It felt like genuine people enjoying each other's culture. And in today's internet world, that authenticity matters because audiences are tired of fake drama all the time. People enjoy seeing positivity too. People enjoy seeing cultures connect. People enjoy seeing creators uplift each other instead of competing constantly. And maybe that's why this collaboration is hitting different emotionally. Because for many viewers, it feels bigger than YouTube. It feels like Caribbean unity in real time. But according to many viewers, the best moments may still be coming because as the adventure continued, The cultural experiences become even deeper. The chemistry became even stronger, and some moments during the trip genuinely surprised people online. So, if you're interested in a part two, you can let me know if you're interested so we can do the part two for you. Because this story may have started with content creation, but is slowly becoming something much bigger. Out of many islands, one Caribbean.